Greetings, Mark Brown. You're going to be looking at how we can use the replace feature right here in Google Docs right here. So you can either double click or right click. You notice I have it right here in my taskbar, so I'm going to click and there you go. But why did that Google Docs show like this? It simply means that I don't sign in. So it gives me some option that I can actually use. I'm going to click on this account. Now when I click on this account, it takes me to a section where I have to put in a password. So when I put in the password, I can press next. I can press enter on my keyboard. Just the same. Now if you notice right up here, showing that it actually processing right here. So that's how you know that it's actually processing. If you notice right up here, so Google Doc, right? If you notice here, the blank template and all of that. So show that you can actually do brochure, show that you can write letter right here, show that you can do a resume and all that. But our main focus is replace feature. So we have to select the blank by coming right here. Right, when you come right here, so you select the blank. To at the top that you bring up the blank page. If you notice right up here, show your untitled, show your file, edit, view, right here, show your insert format, tools and all that. If you notice it, show you can actually bold and all that. You notice your cursor right here. So right here, you can actually write a comment. But I'm going to write a sentence that I can actually get it replaced. Alright, so I'm going to write my name are John Brown. Alright, good. Let me lock it. Bring it up some more. Just like that. Alright, so our main focus right here is my name, Arjan Brown. So what we want to do, we want to replace the word R with is. We don't delete our backspace. How are we going to do that? So I want to come to the left of your screen, right? You notice right here, say edit, you're going to click on word edit. Now when you click on word edit, you notice it undo, redo, paste, formatting, select. You notice right here, say find and replace. So you're going to click on that. Now when you click on that, now this is what it brings up, right? This box right here, you notice you can compromise and close. Notice the find, it's a replace, right? It's a match case. Use regular expression right here. Right, it give you the new line right here. Ignore Latin and such and such. So what you want to put in here now, we want to find the word R, which is A-R-E. Right, you notice? And then in this box is a replace it with. So I want to put the word is. Right? So notice you come right down here, it's a replace, and it's a replace R. It's because it's only one thing we actually dealing with, we're just going to press replace. So we're going to click on replace. Right, so now we click on replace now. We want to come right here, we're going to close it. If you notice right here, it changed. So now my name is John Brown. So now this sentence now makes sense. So this is how we can actually use replace feature right here in Google Docs. So thanks for watching. See you in the next video.